Using all metallic paint in this piece is just simply extraordinary. The colors are amazing. The shimmer from the metallics, oh my goodness guys, it's beautiful. I love the bloom cells and the bloom lacing in this piece. Guys, check out how I do today's video. I added a cell activator in my swipe today. Check it out guys, you're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today guys, I will be doing a bloom swipe and I'll be using my spoon to swipe the colors across the canvas. All right, and I want to do a flower shape design. So guys, as you can see, I've already laid my white base on the canvas. All right, and of course all the colors I'm using will be listed in the description box below, so you can always go ahead and check out the information at your own convenience when you're ready. All right, the colors I'm using, all the colors are metallic, and oh my goodness, they're just so brilliant. They're bright. I just amazing colors. They have shimmer in it and it's just amazing. I just love working with metallic. All right guys, and of course the cell activator I'm using, it's a yellow ochre. It's like a mustardy looking yellow. Of course, like I said guys, all the colors I'm using will be listed in the description box below. In the beginning I said the base color is white. It's actually a house paint, so it's called, for this technique, it's called the pillow paint. So I just want to clarify that, just in case if any of you guys go ahead in the description box and you see pillow paint and not base coat, because you know I usually use the artist loft for my base coat, but today I'll be using the house paint. So you guys can always go ahead, as I mentioned before, and check out the information in the description box below. How I mix my paint, I actually use Canela Sirocco's recipe to mix my paint, so you guys can always check that out as well in my description box below. It's pretty simple. I just tweak it a bit, you know, because I really don't use the American Floetrol. I've never used it, but I just tweak it a bit and just add some additional ingredients just to come up with what works for me. All right, so you guys can always go ahead and check that out in the description box below. All right guys, so don't go away. I have a close-up of the wet result and the dried result. All right guys, and of course when you're swiping with the spoon, ensure that you clean the spoon off after each swipe. It's very important. All right guys, so I just do hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, you know, and like and share my content with your friends and family. And for my new viewers, I want to say welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you're thinking about subscribing, go ahead. Like I said, I do have great contents to share. All my returning viewers, all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single one of you. All right guys, so go ahead and enjoy today's video and stay tuned for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. See you at the end. I think I always do this, but I just want to mention that yellow that you see in the middle, guys, that's the cell activator, and I actually poured the cell activator. I wanted to just try it as how I see other artists done it. So I poured the cell activator in the middle, but instead of blowing it out with a straw or blowing it out with a blow dryer or using my mouth to blow it, I wanted to swipe it out. So that's what I was doing. So that yellow that you're looking at right now is actually the cell activator. It helps to create that lacing, that cell that you see, the beautiful cells. That's what I pour, and then I swipe it over the colors. All right, but as I continue, I actually pour, like just now what I did, I pour the color onto the spoon and then I swipe it outwards. So that's what I've been doing afterwards. So check it out guys, it's pretty interesting, you know, it's fun. And you know what guys, this is art, and remember, just have fun with it. Just make it your own. Experiment, just do your thing. And that's what I've been doing. I just watch other artists do their thing and I just try something different, and I want to share it with you. All right, so I just do hope you enjoyed today's video, and of course give it a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. See you. Here is a close-up. Wow, the colors are so dazzling. It's bright. Oh my goodness, I love it. And that metallic berry, you know, the color that looks like a magenta. It's a metallic berry by DecoArt. Wow, it's beautiful. And then I use different shades of orange in this as well, and they are by Modern Masters, and beautiful colors, guys. I love it. Oh my goodness. And the gold, you can see the pop of gold, you know, here and there. It's beautiful. What do you guys have to say about today's painting? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's check out the dried result, guys. Amazing. Wow, it dried well. I love it. The colors remain so vibrant, and I actually put a coat of resin on this one, signed and ready to go. It's just beautiful, and I mean the shimmer from the metallics. I'm just loving this piece, guys. I'm just so happy that it turned out amazing, and you know, it turned out well, and I'm happy that I get to share this with you guys. So let me know what you have to say about this one in the comment section below. All right, and of course, if you do love this one, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Give my playlist a try, watch my different techniques, of course, and yeah, check out my other videos, guys, and I will see you for next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.